What if I told you some of the biggest things helping me live with spinal stenosis aren't medications or procedures? They're things already in my home. These everyday items help me reduce pain, conserve energy, and make daily life a little easier. If you're living with spinal stenosis, stick around because one of these ideas can make a real difference in your day. Plus, at the end of this video, there are 3 new construction house tours in the Hillsborough, Oregon area, which is a suburb of Portland. Welcome back to Living with Spinal Stenosis. If you're new here, this channel is all about navigating life beyond the diagnosis. I share my personal experiences, practical tips, and educational information to help you manage everyday life with spinal stenosis. Today's video is all about the things in my house that help me function better and stay as comfortable as possible. My recliner is probably one of the most used pieces of furniture in my house. Sitting completely upright for too long can make my symptoms worse, but a recliner helps me change positions throughout the day and take pressure off my lower back. A heating pad helps relax tight muscles around my spine. While it doesn't fix the stenosis, it can reduce muscle tension and make me more comfortable. Some days heat feels great. Other days, especially if I've overdone it, ice helps calm things down. I keep reusable ice packs in the freezer so they're always ready. Bending over to pick something up isn't always easy. A grabber tool saves my back and helps me avoid movements that can trigger my pain. Standing in the shower can be exhausting when your legs feel weak or numb. A shower chair helps conserve energy and makes showering safer. This helps me shower while sitting and makes it easier to reach everywhere without twisting or bending. Even inside my house, I rarely go barefoot. Supportive shoes help reduce stress on my back and legs. When you're taking medications or supplements, it's easy to forget what you've taken. A pill organizer keeps everything simple. Hydration is more important than people realize. I keep a water bottle nearby throughout the day so I remember to drink enough fluids. I use pillows behind my back, between my knees, and under my legs, depending on how I'm sleeping or sitting. Small adjustments can make a big difference. I keep frequently used items like medications, snacks, chargers, books, and my heating pad on a rolling cart. That way I don't have to keep walking back and forth every time I need something. Whether it's a cane or a walker, don't think of it as giving up. Think of it as getting yourself more freedom. Using an assistive device can help you stay active while reducing your risk of falling. Remember, what works for me may not work for everyone living with spinal stenosis. Spinal stenosis affects each person differently depending on where the narrowing is and how severe it is. These are simply the things that help me manage my daily life. Living with spinal stenosis means learning how to adapt, not giving up. Sometimes the smallest changes around your home can make the biggest difference in how you feel each day. Next up, we'll be touring 3 new construction homes. Let me know which one you prefer. hope